Today we are going to look at assembly of the electronics for the energy monitor into the DIN-rail box. So the DIN-rail box here has got slots cut out for the current sensors. The top here is where the green section where the voltages plug-in go, which aligns with the clip. Here is the transparent front lid and a couple of covers for the ends of where the connectors go in. Today we are going to go through the assembly of the energy monitor into the DIN-rail box, and this is the main box, this is the back plate, this is the front screen, and these are end covers. So the only constraint is this current sensor inputs have to be aligned with the open end, and the voltage sensor input has to be aligned with the closed end, and the clip here, which plugs on top of the DIN-rail, has to be aligned to the voltage so that the screen is right way up, otherwise you have to flip it in code. Okay, so you just drop it in. This green bit goes up, down here, and then clip through, push the clip through, push this up a bit, push the current sensor clips through here, yep, clips in, cool. Secure it with the back plate, this goes with the green. Phoenix contact. The manufacturer of these. Okay, so that's good. The bottom is good. The screen on top is easy. It's symmetric. It can go either way. If you want to, you can take over the cover for the OLED. And end caps, they're symmetric. Doesn't matter which side goes where. That's it, done. And you can install it on the DIN-rail using this clip. Just pull up the clip, put it on the DIN-rail, and close the clip. Okay, to disassemble the DIN-rail box, you need a flat edge screwdriver, which is not too big, so just to fit in the slots here. So you can take the screen off relatively easily, just like that. So you can do that for the purposes of reprogramming, resetting, using the buttons in front. The screen is isolated galvanically, so it's relatively safe to do. Just don't be silly. Better take it off the mains and do it outside on a table like this rather than still connected to the mains. So the back here, you can unclip. Push the lever it out. Side. Push and lever it out. There's the boxes under pressure, so it just pops out easily. Other end, you don't need a screwdriver, you just push it out. You can use a guitar pick or anything if you don't have stiff nails. Okay, so that's out. So the taking out of the baseboard is you have to pass these clips. So pass these clips on the metering current entry side first. Push the green connector up a bit. And then pass the clips on this side, and it's out. That's it. So you end up with all your parts, and these ones are optional to take off. If you want to take them off, just do it from the inside easily. Press the body down a bit, you should unclip it. Press the body down a little bit, unclip it, and take it off.